This superpower effect man video really fetched me enough engagement, and when I recorded this video I never knew that it would perform very well as it did. Okay, so in this very tutorial I'll be showing you how I got this very video edited. One thing you will do for me is to share this video, let it get to your friends and family so that they will watch it and learn from this video. Let's go to the screen to show you. Let's head over to CapCut to show you how I recorded the video, and after that we can now proceed with the editing. Click on the new project, bring in the video that you want to edit and click on that very add button. What you need to do now is to come to the beginning of the video, swipe to freeze, click on that very freeze to freeze the empty part of the video. Now you head over to the place where you were about to punch the pole. Okay, this is how I recorded the video. Okay, have you seen it? Very good. So nothing more, that action part is enough. Now where you are about to hit the pole, this is what you will do. You have the video highlighted by touching here, then click on that split button, highlight this side and click on delete button to remove that unwanted part. Now this is what you need to do. Come over to this very freeze part of the empty background, highlight it like this, then head over to overlay and then overlay the clip. Okay, now the next thing which you need to do is to search for mask. Okay, so once you get to mask, click on it and choose this very mirror. Okay, this is the first time we are using a mirror for our tutorial. Now use your hand to reduce the size and turn it to fit into that very pole. So the target is to let the mirror feature fit in the pole like this. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, once you get it like this, then you can leave it this way. So the next thing which you need to do is to click here and extend the overlay to cover some part of until where you bring out your hands. Okay, just take it to where you want the video to stop. Here is okay. Now highlight the main video, come over to split to remove the excess part, highlight this one and click delete to remove it entirely. Now this is what you need to do. So target where your hand is about to enter into the pole like this. Let's position it this way. Okay, so click on add overlay. It will take you back to your gallery, then look for this very crack green screen. All right, any of these two can serve, then click on add button. Very good. So at this very point you need to search out from where the cracking started. Okay, here is okay. Now position it, split and delete the unwanted part. What you need to do is to have it highlighted again. Now swipe to this end until you get to transform. Okay, because we want to reduce the size of the stuff. Okay, now once you get to transform, you click on resize, then come over to this end and then do some little adjustment. I think this should be okay. Once you are done with that, you click on that check mark key. Now click on this return arrow to return the video back. Now look for remove background. Once you get to remove background, click on chroma key to remove that very green background. Okay, have you seen it? So use this very intensity to remove the residual part of the green color. Okay, so you authenticate the action by clicking on that very check mark key. So you need to carefully position this very cracking effect to fit in that very part of the pole where your hand entered. So to make it look perfect, you really need to carefully adjust the size of the crack feature to fit in the pole. Okay, so this is what you will do. Head over to that very green screen feature and then duplicate it as many times as you want. Then as you have it duplicated, take it to the beginning of the first one like this. Now use your hands to change the position. Okay, you can as well go back to that very transform, click on that transform and click on mirror to change the position of that overlaid one. Now use your hand to adjust it. Repeat the process until you have as many cracks as possible. Or play it again. Very good. All right, I think this is okay. Now at this point you need to extend this one to reach the end part of the video. Once you are done adjusting or doing the necessary adjustment, you head over to the very export and have your video exported directly to your gallery. So this is the end of the video editing for this one. Do well to share so that others will benefit. Drop your comment on the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.